How to occupy all the lottery numbers and win the jackpot. On this strategy, I will explain a secret technique that I always use. You will be amazed on this result. I will explain very detailed, so please focus on the guide and my explanation. Okay, now we will generate all the possible combination from 1 to 0. That is 10 numbers and equals to 120 combination. Here are the 120 generated combination. But of course, we cannot place our bets in this 120 combination. It automatically result as you lose. On this strategy, we will laser the combination to the fullest and get the winning and targeted combination. Remember, our objective is to occupy all the numbers. Now, how can we achieve this, that we can occupy all the number from 1 to 0, and that is 10 numbers? Now, we will use the current drawn pairs. Yes, you heard it right. We will identify the pair of the current draw. And this pair will be used to eliminate the combination. Okay. Example of the current draws. 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 8, and 4, 5, 4, 7. As you can see, the current pairs are 36, 69, 93 for 3, 6, 9. 12, 82, 18 for 1, 2, 8. For 5, 4, 7 is 5, 4, 4, 7, and 75. After the elimination, the remaining combination will be used for our plays and our bets. By using this simple and smart strategy, we can successfully occupy the numbers from 0 to 1, and that is 10 number. Now let's proceed to the elimination process. Okay, this is the elimination process. So we have 120 combination. By using this pair, as you can see, I put a red box on each combination to be eliminated. For 3, 6, 9, as you can see, 3, 6, 3, 9, and all with 3 and 9 will be eliminated. 6 and 9 and 9 and 3. It is the same for 1, 2, 8. So 2, 8. The pair, you will eliminate the pair. Okay, we will laser the 120 combination by eliminating the pair. So 2, 8. Okay. For 1, 8. 1, 8 on the red box, I eliminated all the possible and current draw pairs because pair is composed of 52 pairs. So I eliminated only 9 pairs. Imagine that 9 pairs will not be drawn on a multiple drawings. So the probability of winning has drastically increased by 90 to 80% by just using the pairs. Okay, hope the elimination process is clear. Okay, now we'll proceed after the elimination process, the number that we are supposed to place for our bets. Okay. After the elimination process, as you can see, I have eliminated the current draw and the current draw pairs. All of that pairs are now eliminated, and the combination left is 59 combination. As you can see, from 120 combination, we are now left with 59 combination. These are the combination we are going to use for our place. Now, this is targeted and you will surely win 100%. You occupy all the numbers from 1 to 0 and that is 10 combination. I have tested this account this time and this really works and you will be amazed on the result. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and strategies. Thank you.